This is the first time I've been into Shore Acres since it flooded. And yeah, I guess I'm just gonna do an uncut video of what I see. Hopefully my camera is angled right. Might have to kneel my head down, sit slouched a little bit. But yeah, basically all this neighborhood was flooded with the storm. You know, I think there's a video I have of 10 months ago, it flooding out and me being down here. And here we are, you know, 10 months, a year later, and it's flooded out again. And, you know, now I'm gonna go out here and see this guy's house and try to figure out what I can do for him, if anything. He hasn't been there since the storm. The storm hit Thursday night, Friday morning. And right now we are Tuesday, so honk at another scrapper. Yeah, but right now we are Tuesday, so we got, you know, what, 3-4 days since the storm. I don't think he's been in his house since it flooded. A lot of stuff down here. Yeah, I gotta go up here and go left. So, if you can, have a cigarette, have a cup of coffee, and let's see how the nicest neighborhood in St. Pete fared. Flooded, flooded, flooded. All flooded. All flooded. All flooded. Ugh. This is heartbreaking. I mean, looks like a war zone in here now. And the crazy thing is they're saying there may be another storm. And the way the models are showing, it would cut right across the state, which honestly, if this place floods again right now from another storm, it's gonna be a handful. It's gonna be a mess. See, residents only. Because look at all this stuff would float around. They're going. They weren't supposed to go. Yeah, I probably want to stay away from the puddles because I bet you there's still salt water in them. See, they're walking appliances to the road right now. Look, there's a fridge. Oh yeah, there's more than enough scrap metal out here for a while. Oh, this is sad. This is sad. Another washer. Two fridges there. Exercise bike. Ugh. See, and these people flooded out 10 months ago, and now they got it worse. Damn, that was a nice cabinet, it looked like. Now they got it worse than they had it. Oh yeah, another washer, dryer. Oh yeah. Look at all this scrap out here. Getting me hyped up. Almost makes me want to tell Jeff, I'll talk to you later. I got scrap metal to get. I always seem to fall back on scrap. this is sad. And these people flooded out, you know, 10 months ago, and now look at. Do not take. No, no. See, they're sad. See, I probably should start asking people if I could take their scrap. I don't. I wonder how bad this guy got it. Yeah, they got 4 feet of water here. I just seen it. The line was like up to here on the truck. Scrappers. How should I do this?